this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am going to be teaching you how to do a jelly sandwich. I have made my own jelly polishes. I made about, 6 of them, 8 of them so far. Blue, green, red, orange, yellow, lime green, purple, pink, all different sorts of colors. On my nails, I have got 2 to 3 coats of my blue that I made. I'm going to be taking these little stickers and putting them on my nails. I did on my thumbnail on the tip, which is these ones here along the edge. They're really cute. Got a snowflake here and a snowflake here because it's Michigan. It snowed here today. This winter is not quite over yet. It's just a dusting, but snow is snow. So I'm going to be taking 2 more of these ones that you can put them anywhere on your nail really, but I'm going to be putting them on my tip of my nail, my French curve line. So just peel these off. With the jelly sandwich, puts you, 2 to 3 coats. Do you feel it's where you, it's where you want it? I think I ripped it. Let me look here. I don't know. I'm going to put these on the tips of my nails, real cute like. Oh, let me try this the other way. Shoot. Am I in frame? Okay, just take these stickers. You can put them anywhere on your nail. And put mine on the tip. Push them down. Mine don't want to stick now. I probably touched them too much. I'm going to use that. I'm going to take my jelly polish. I'm going to, I know it's not sticking, but it will. Maybe. I'll take my tweezers and try to readjust it. Okay, got a coat on there. You get my sheet. So basically when you make a jelly sandwich, put 2 to 3 coats of your jelly polish on your nail. Put your design, whether it could be nail stamping, could be a water decal, sticker, could be many different types of designs. Put that on, put you another coat of your jelly polish on. And, once you put another coat of your jelly polish on, you're good to go. You can put 2 coats on if you want, depending on what opacity you're trying to reach. There we go. I'm going to put another coat on my middle finger because I kind of messed it up there. Also my index finger because I kind of messed him up too. So yeah, there is your super easy to do, your basic nail art jelly sandwich. You wait for those to dry down just a tad bit. Add you a top coat, glossy top coat, matte top coat, whichever you decide to do. But there is your, like I said, your jelly sandwich. Super easy to do. I'll go over it one more time. Put your base coat of your choice. Put you 2 to 3 layers of your jelly polish. Put your nail art that you are going to be using. And another coat of 2 of your jelly. And top coat. And you're finished. Top coat I'm going to be using is Pro FX Quick Drying Top Coat. It's not a thick, glossy top coat. It's normal consistency, I would say. So, on that note, I'm going to be putting me a layer on here. Cap your nail. Always want to remember to cap your nail, people. Ladies and gents, whoever is doing the nails, you always want to cap the edges to protect them from chipping, from water getting in. I think these turned out really cute. I mean, the index finger I messed up, but it's alright. Ouch. So here we go. There we go. It's all finished. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I think this is really super easy. Some basic nail art, I guess you could say. So yep, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you've tried this before on your own, or if you would like to try this. If this is your first time here, please leave me a comment and let me know. If you're a return viewer, I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like my channel, even share it if you'd like. I'm trying to grow it. Currently having a giveaway, a She Modern giveaway for $20 gift certificates. Find that video and enter now. There will be 10 winners. 7 USA, 3 international. Find that video. It's a birthday giveaway for March of 2019 only. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day. Thank you.